Hello guys, today we have my brother's gun, so I'm gonna prank him that I have his gun. So my dad reached it on there, and my brother reached it from there. So I'm gonna play it right now. I'm gonna reload. And I switch the magazine, but it's the exact same of the magazine. So I'm gonna take off this. So I'm gonna change it from the same magazine. And hide this gun right now so no one and my brother won't know. But I'm gonna still play it. Today you're going to say goodnight. Oh, wait. This is my gun. I buy it from Unitop. Oh. Today going that. Say goodnight. Ah! 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 And now it's not the normal one. It's not the exact same one. And I got 3 magazines on my back. That's how you do it. You take up the magazine, you press this, like this. Oh, I saw this moving, look. You saw that? Look. Wait. Did you see that, guys? So I'm gonna reload. Did you see this line thing? I don't know these. Look. Those are the lines things on the gun. I don't know these lines. You press this button as you shoot. But it's not the real gun. It's just a toy. My brother buy this on himself. But it's raining all day and my dad said don't buy this because there's magazines. Duh. I can help this. This is my gun and this is my brother's gun. Like, it's the M16. Did you hear the sound, guys? And here's my magazine, but there's no bullets. You see, guys? It's not hiding. Look. No, this is the spring, bruh. Are you blind? Okay, guys. This is my favorite gun when I was a kid. But we don't buy this when I was a kid. I buy this now on Unitop. This is my favorite gun, the Glock 2 Lick. I know the difference by these. Like, there's a hole. And you put the magazine. But there's it's still outside, but it's stuck. It can't go in because it's look at this. That's why it can't. That's why it's stuck. And you press this. I already said that. Okay, guys, let's practice this. I'm gonna put my gun here. I'm gonna open my closet now. This is my closet. And I'll shoot you guys. Today going down, say goodnight. Ah! Oh, I almost died. I got a surprise for you. This. One guy. You wanna play, bro? Huh? Ah! Time to play with you. Today going down, say goodnight.